Hello students, welcome back once again. My name is Sarfraz Ahmed and today I will teach you chapter 5th of class 5th, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Now in this chapter we are going to learn starting Microsoft PowerPoint. Now next, creating a new presentation. Next, inserting built-in templates. After that, modifying built-in templates, applying themes, changing color scheme and background color. After that, inserting smart art. And finally, we will going to learn viewing a presentation in different views. Now, let's start of this chapter. So in this chapter, first of all, we are going to learn how to start Microsoft PowerPoint. Before doing the start of Microsoft PowerPoint, I want to tell you what is Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. So the question arises, what is presentation? So the presentation is made up of collection of slides. Slides is like a page in which you can insert text, audio, video, etc. Now all the slides are arranged in a sequential manner to entertain, to motivate, to convey information and persuade or impart information to your audience. Now this all about the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now how to start Microsoft PowerPoint? So first of all, go to this start button, then click on all program, then after you find a folder of Microsoft Office, then after you click on that folder and you can find the software which is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Click on it. So as you can see here, the interface of MS PowerPoint. So on the top you can see this is the title bar. Here is written presentation 5, and on the bottom of this title bar, this is the file tab. So there is a several tabs are there like home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review and view. So let's see, this is the tab home, and inside the tab this strip is known as ribbon. Now this is the ribbon. So there are several groups in particular ribbon. The first section, or we can say first group, contain a similar type of option, like here is given paste, cut, copy and format painter. Now the next group is slides. So inside the slides you can see new slide, layout, reset, delete. And in the font group you can see the fonts size, the font type of setting. In the paragraph group you can see the paragraph related option, and in this drawing you can see the drawing related option. See here on the left side you can see slides and outline. Here is the outline and here is the slide. Now here is the workspace. You will do your work over here, and this is known as work area. Now this is, here is written click to add title, and this is written click to add subtitle. So this is and this is, there you can see the dotted line. This indication of dotted line is known as placeholder. Now inside the placeholder we are writing text, like here is written click to add title. So I am writing any of the text, like I am writing text over here. So you can write anything inside this placeholder. Like placeholder has many types, like you can see over here in the slides group you can see layout. See here there is a several option placeholder, like you can insert your media. This is the main purpose for the placeholder, is to insert the text, or you want to insert the media, whatever the you want to insert, the pictures or videos or sound. Even you can insert the sound also in MS PowerPoint. Now moving ahead, how to create a new presentation. So here you can see this is the interface. Firstly you will open, you can find this interface. Okay, so now I am going to create a new presentation. So just go to this file tab. So where you can see the file tab, so here this is the MS Office button. If you will click on this button, MS Office button, you can find here there are several options like new, open, save as, print, and in all that. So if you want to create a new file or new project of MS PowerPoint, you just have to click this new option. So by clicking on this new option, you can create a new presentation. Like I'm clicking the new, so here there is a several option here is locating here. Like the first one is blank presentation, the second one is install templates. Like you can see here several templates over here. Like you want to make the quiz type presentation, so you can make by clicking on this. And if you want to introduce introduction of PowerPoint 2007, you can just click on this and just create. And there are several things like install theme, like there is a several themes are available. Whatever theme you want, just click on it and go to this create option. These are the features which is written here, Microsoft Office Online. So if you will connect the internet, this option will be work, and if you will not connect the internet, this option will not going to work. On this blank presentation and then choose create option. So once you click on this create button, you can see this interface. Okay, now you have created a new presentation. Now moving ahead, and we will going to built-in templates. How can we use this built-in templates? So just go to this this option, and again you have to go this new option, and here you can see install templates. So just click on this, just click on it, and you can see here there are several templates are present. So here are the available template, and if you want to create your own template, you also can create. Suppose I want to make a quiz, so just click on this quiz show and just create this. So once you have created, this option will be appear, and here this one is how to use the quiz show template. You can change the text, like here I am going to change this history quiz, so I can change the name. You want to just write anything, you just select it and press delete key. Now you have deleted all the text. You can write any of the text according your topic, and to whatever the question is here, there is a new template is here. There is written here sample question and answer. You can write anything instead of these text, and the topic of your question and answer will be shown by you accordingly, whatever the slide topic it is. Now moving ahead, these are the template I have shown you. There are several templates. Now again I want to show you the another template. Again going to in this new option and just click on this install template, and you can see the another template. Like here is a contemporary photo album. You want to store the photos in several slides. You also can save your photo in slides also, and you can see in slideshow. I will tell you afterward. So click on this contemporary photo album and just click on this create option. Once you have created this, you can see here many types of photo available here, and you can add your personal photo, or you can add any of the photos, and it looks pretty good. And you can see slideshow also, like you can see in the full screen also. How can you see the full screen? You have to go this view tab and just click on this slideshow. Like here I am clicking here slideshow. So now if you don't want to click on this slideshow, and you also can press F5, and by clicking on this, by pressing on this F5, you can just go to this slideshow view. So just click on this F5. I'm clicking this F5 and you can see here this slideshow will be appear. Now how can you just close this slideshow? So here on the keyboard there is a key available, that is escape key. You just press the escape key only one time and it will be go in the original view, that is normal view. Built-in templates, which means predefined templates, which is available in your MS PowerPoint. Select any one of these built-in templates, like I am selecting this pitch book. So select it and just click on this create button. Once you have click on this create button, as you can see here, the template has been opened. This is the template, but I don't want this text in all that pictures. I want to just modify. So the next topic is modifying built-in templates. So the first of all, I will tell you how to apply themes. So here you have to go to this design tab, and in the design tab you can see this themes group, and inside this themes group you can see a lots of themes, like I'm selecting this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It is changing, and not even this single slide is changing, but all the slide is also changing accordingly. Now in spite of this theme, you can also notice that here is the color. You can also change the color scheme of this particular slide or all of the slides. So see here, this is the color that is gray. So you want to change the color. Here you just click on this color, and here all the color is given here, like office, grayscale, apex, aspect, in all that. I'm clicking here on this civic, so you can notice that the color has changed. Not this is the color of brown, but it is only changing on this particular slide. But I want to change any other slide, like in this slide also. So what you have to do, I just click on this color, and then again I want this equity, and then I will right click, and here it is given that apply to all slides. So once I clicking on this apply to all slide, it will apply in your all slides. So it is very helpful to apply the same color schemes in all of your slides. Now our next topic is changing background color. So you can see in the design tab there is a themes group, and inside the themes group you have noticed that there is a lots of themes, and in the color and this font effects. But there is another group in the design tab, that is background. Inside the background you can notice this background style. So here are lots of styles, like this is a black one, and this one is a gray, and this one is a texture. So this one is a white. So I am selecting this one or this one. You can select any of this background style. So click any one of them and it will apply to your all slides. Now I want to change the color of the particular background style. So what I have to do, I just click on this background style, and you can notice this format background. So click on this format background, and you can notice this solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill. The first one is a solid fill. Solid, which means the same color will be surround all over the slide. And just click on this color, and you can see the lots of color. Suppose I want yellow, click on this yellow, and you can notice this, the color of yellow has been converted of my background style. If you will click on this apply to all, it will apply to all of your slides. So once you click on this apply to all, see here all the slides has been converted into yellow. So there is a second option, that is gradient. Gradient, which means you can fill two or more colors in particular background style. So here is the present color, and you can notice there is a predefined gradient available here. I am clicking on this gradient style, so it will be changed. This one is a linear, so the linear, which means the lining position, and in the lining position the color will be changed. And it can also different types of gradient fill, like radial, rectangular, path, shade from, title. So the radial, which means circular form, the color will be spread like in the circular form. Rectangular, the color will be distributed in the form of rectangular. Path, if you will draw the path, and the color will be distributed according to your path. Shade, whatever the shade you want to give according to a title, you can give by clicking here. Now I am selecting this radial, see the changing on the slide. Next one is the rectangle, see the changing in the slide. And clicking on this path, see the change in the particular slide. And then shade from title, you can see the title shade is seen by looking it here when I selecting this shade from title. Now the next one, if I am selecting this linear again, and you can notice this angle. What is angle mean? Suppose this is the yellow color and this one is the red color. You can notice on the particular slide. If you don't want yellow color here, if you want yellow color on the right side, so on the right side of the slide, what you have to do, you have to change the angle. So click on this here, and you can see the when the angle is changed, the color position is also changed. So likewise you can change the color. You can fill solid fill, gradient, or picture or texture. You can also fill back, you can also put the pictures as a background style. So click on this picture or texture, click on here, and here is the texture. Select your texture, like I'm selecting this one here, and the texture will be changed likewise. Now if I want a picture, so I'm clicking on this file option, and a dialog box will appear. Here's the dialog box appear, and here's my picture images. I'm clicking on this image and select any of this image, insert it, and here you can see the background style is converted into the according to the pictures, which pictures you have selected. All the pictures will be applied in one slide. But if you will apply to all, if you click on this apply to all, the all slide will be converted according to this picture. Click on this apply to all, and you can notice this all the slides has been converted. Now the next thing is smart art. So what is smart art? So you just have to go to this insert, and you can notice the here is a smart art. So what is smart art? So smart art is a graphics tool that allow you to present data or information visually in the form of a pyramid, diagram, matrix, etc. So I'm clicking this smart art, so you can notice here all list, process, cycle, hierarchy, and many others smart arts. So these graphics help in conveying our ideas and messages easily and effectively. It contains a variety of graphical layout and diagrams to display data in presentation. Like I'm selecting this cycle, so click on this cycle here, and what you have noticed here, suppose if you want to show the life cycle of a frog, so what you have to do, you have to select this hierarchy, and then what you have to do, you have selected the hierarchy of cycle. So here you can write egg, and then again tadpole, okay, and then frog, you can write anything. But if you don't want any of the text, what you have to do, you just select any of the text and just press delete key. It will be delete. Again, you don't want this text, just press delete. But if you want to enter any of the text, what you have to do, just click on any of this portion, any of the text, right click on it, and here is the option add shape, and here is the two option, add shape after and add shape before. If you want to enter the shape after the shape, so what you have to do, just click on here, and if you want to enter the shape before this shape, what you have to do, add shape before. So I want after, so click on this. So here you can see this, after this shape the new shape has been inserted. So likewise you can insert any of the cycle or you can delete. So this is the smart art, and the smart art which is usually help in conveying our ideas and messages easily and effectively. Now moving ahead, and we are going to look at the views of a presentation. So you can view your presentation in a different format. Here is a tab, that is view tab. You go to this view tab and you can notice this normal view, slide shorter view. First one is a normal view. So normal view. So normal view, here you can see on your screen, this is a normal view, and it is a main editing view which is used to write and design the presentation. And in the normal view you can add text, graphics, sound, animation and many other effects, and as well as you have a large view of an individual slides. Next thing is a slide shorter view, and besides this normal view you can see here the slide shorter view. When I click on this slide shorter view, you can see there's many slides over here. So it display a miniature view, miniature which means small view of all the slides in a presentation. And in a slide shorter view you can change the order of a slide. How can change the order of a slide? Like you don't want this fourth slide instead of one slide. So just press left key of your mouse on fourth slide and drag on the first position. It will be changed in the first position from the fourth position. Suppose the second slide you don't want here, press left key of your mouse and hold it, drag it and change the position at the last slide, and leave the left key of your mouse, and it will be replaced from 2 to the last slide. Next slide I want to tell you, this one I have also told you previously, that is slide show. If you want to see the particular slide in the full screen, so what you have to do, click on this slide show and the slide will be in the full screen. So if you want to close the full screen, you have to just press escape key and it will be come back in the original position, like whatever it is the slide shorter view or a normal view. Now the another type of view, that is note page view, reading view, slide show view, that is I have to told you, that is note page view. Here is a note page view. Yes, this one is a note page view. And what is note page view? Note page view is available on a view tab, you can see here. And if you add a notes, here is the note, and while working in the normal view you can see them in the note page view. So why it is used? So here is the slide, and suppose you have made, you don't want to describe briefly in particular slide, but you can describe about this slide over here. If you are not presenting, your audience cannot understand about this slide, but if you will write on the note page view, the audience can easily understand what you want to say in the particular slide. There is a advanced view, that is slide master, handout master, notes master. There is an advanced feature, I will tell you afterward. Now you have understand all the views and all the basic information of a PowerPoint presentation. Now in the next lessons I will tell you what is the advanced features, what are the other features of MS PowerPoint. So stay tuned and stay home, stay safe, and thanks for watching.